So the three core values that are the foundation for art of being are that, number one, everyone is an artist. I believe that every one of us has a unique story to tell, a unique perspective. Every one of us has lived a life in the world that no one's ever seen before and no one ever will. And so it's our unique right, our human heritage, to be able to tell that story in some shape or form. And we can see that in kids, the way it's a primal urge to create, to draw, to make things. But we lose that, it's schooled out of us. It's like Pablo Picasso, who said, every child is an artist. We just have to learn how to stay that way when we grow up. So, art of being is about reclaiming that artistry. The second core belief is that art is an expression of our authentic self. We see the contemporary art world just kind of spinning in circles of conceptual thought and ideas, and it really becomes kind of a closed loop, and it's no longer telling an authentic story. And so reclaiming that sense of art as an expression of who we are and what it means to be alive in the world for this person in this moment in time, in this place. And so that I see that as the purpose of art in Art of Being. And the third core value is that mindfulness, meditation provides a space where that sort of authentic making, that authentic artistry can naturally arise. Because when we settle our mind, when we come back into our being in the present moment, we're more in touch with that authentic self, more in touch with who we are and what it is to be alive right now in this moment here. So that provides the ground for the creative and artistic work that we do. And many of the art experiences we do arise directly out of some sort of meditation practice. It might be walking meditation or sitting. It might be a guided contemplation of a particular idea or concept. And then it flows naturally into working with the materials.